It'll just give us more room.
Yeah.
Okay, roll on out. Okay, I'm with Johnny in the Lamborghini Huracan Evo at Pittsburgh International Raceway with Xtreme Xperience. Anything you want to say to your fans worldwide?
I want to say we're about to get some fun, some smiles, and make that loud pedal go.
Okay, let's head out here. We're just in the pits, but we're going to move out for a bit here. Doing well. Yeah, this is a great track.
Oh yeah.
Time. There's plenty of room to feel that throttle. So
oh yeah.
Right between the two cones here, as you know. Once we turn this corner, we'll be on track. You can come up to speed.
Alrighty.
Alright, good. Now we're on track. It's like up to that turning cone. So it's laid out. That always tells you where to turn that wheel.
Yep.
Nice. Good. And just head down. We're not carrying much speed at this point, so I would just tap that brake a bit, tap that brake, now turn that wheel. Yeah, it doesn't need much in this car. Nice. Good job. And just over there, tap that brake a bit. Don't turn in. Good. They see us. They'll get a point by. Which I said, okay, pass on the left, please, for me.
Yep.
Just nice and smooth. All right, very nice. That was nice. That's how it works smoothly, you know. And then bend it down. Wait, you can stay on throttle. Nice smooth throttle. Nice smooth throttle from here. Good. Let's move it over to my side of the track. Nice. Let's get our eyes up. Looking down the track. Good. Stay on throttle. Stay on throttle. Good. Go ahead. Let's feel where that throttle is. Nice. Let's lift off that throttle. Yeah, you can stay off again. Brake. Just neutral. Now back on throttle. Back on throttle. Bend it in. Yeah. There we go. You can do it. Good. Let's squeeze that brake down. Squeeze that brake down. Good. All the way up that turning cone. Off that brake. Turn that wheel. Good. Nice. To the turning cone. Good. Let's get ready for that front straightaway. All right. Good. Over to my side of the track. Nice. Good job. Careful coming over this hill. We don't want to get too much speed. Go ahead, add a little throttle, but we're just not going to go crazy because you can see it goes off that way. Nice. Go. I'll let you know when to lift. 3, 2, 1. Let's lift. Squeeze that brake down. More brake, please. More brake. Brake. See, it comes up and then we get off the brake and then turn. Now you'll know. You can. It's a blind corner.
Oh
so
yeah, it
that's
is.
all. Good job.
Definitely a little
excellent.
Hard to see
You're
at
doing
first.
well, yeah. And up that turning cone. Stay flat through here. Turn. Yeah, you don't need to brake. Just
Yeah,
brake a bit.
slow enough.
Tap that brake. Tap that brake. Be patient. Now turn. Good. The more patient you are there, the more easier it is to make that corner.
It's definitely tricky.
Tap that brake a bit. Up to that. Now turn. Boom. Yeah, it doesn't take much brakes. Nice smooth turning. Yeah, these brakes are so grippy.
I was going to say they're very sensitive.
Just a tad. You know, unless we're coming main straightaway. Let's drop in, bend it around, nice. Let the car track out, add a little throttle if you want, and over to my side. Good. Good. Go ahead and add some throttle if you like. Stiff. Rush a bit, off the brake, off the brake, and back on throttle. There we go. Nice.
That's a nice
over to your side. Good. Now we're going to squeeze that brake down. Good. Awesome. Off that brake and turn it in. Good. Keep turning. Nice. Use that throttle to pull you out. There we go. Nice. It just helps the car turn. And over to my side. Excellent job. All right. Now you know what the straightaway is like. Remember, we got to brake enough though. Okay. Just a little bit more speed. I'll let you know. 3, 2, 1. Let's lift. Squeeze that brake down. Brake. I need a little more brake now. Good. Off that brake, and turn it in. Yep. Just a subtle turning is plenty. Nice. Good job. Careful on those curbing now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, stay off the curb,
Sensitive.
otherwise I got to bring you in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You're fine. Just tap that brake a bit. Yeah, that curbing is smooth. Some of that gator back is kind of rough, like this and that gator back.
Yep.
That's pretty tough on the cars. Tap that brake. You're doing awesome, man. Turn that wheel.
It's just first time on the track. Just gotta be smooth with it.
Oh, you're doing great. Now you've got this back straightaway, so go ahead. Get the car ready. So turn that wheel. Let the throttle carry you out. Let the throttle carry you out. There we go. And over to my side. Good. If you want to stay flat through here, I'm okay. Just stay left. And then lift. Just lift a bit. Lift. No brake. No brake. Off the brake.
Okay.
Yeah. Now bend it. There we go. Back on throttle. Back on throttle. There we go. And now we got to brake it. Yeah, I guess that was confusing. Good job. And bend around.
Yeah, long curve.
And then we're going to stay left because we're going to pit out.
Yep. stay left.
Good job. Yeah, we're gonna pit out here. Way to go.
Nice.
Way to handle the
Yeah.
car. Very nice.
Yeah, thanks. Coming over that blind.
Yeah, there's a lot of blind drop-ins
Yeah.
in this corner. Even on the bottom of one, that's why I want to get that car slowed down.
Oh,